po natin sir, huwag na po. Huwag na po natin sir, huwag na po.
We walk out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. Let's walk. You're resting here. We're not speaking. Sir, sir, you, sir. Sir, I'm still asking you. Sir, this is the last person you haven't gotten for me. Escape. Not me. You cannot do that. That's not for me. It's for the Senate. Sir. Yes, for the Senate. Sir, in all respect. Don't allow us to. Sir, don't allow us. Yes, sir. Right outside. Right outside. Take this lights up. Take this lights up. Don't have us. They walk out.
Cancel sila. So we're just waiting. We're ready to work. Alam mo, daming trabaho. We have two third reading bills here today, and or three, and two of them happen to be citizenship bills for our Philippine teams, for wrestling and for basketball. Naghihintay sila, time bound din yan. And we're ready to work. So if the presiding officer comes, magtatrabaho po tayo. Tsaka ang mahalaga dito yung sa CA, kasi meron pala mga generals that are up for promotion na darating na po yung birthday nila. So kung hindi magko-convene yung CA, kawawa naman sila, di ba? Naapektuhan pa yung promotion nila at mababypass na sila, hindi na sila tapos na. Ibig sabihin, after their 30 plus years of service, they cannot get promoted one rank higher because we cannot meet as a CA. So it's important we convene today and already elect members of the Commission appointments para by Wednesday we can have a hearing on the armed forces of the Philippines na naghihintay po sila para sa kanilang confirmation. So we're just waiting.
Mga ilang oras na hintayin nyo? How long na maghihintay ang minority?
Long as it takes, we'll wait. Trabaho naman to eh.
Walang masabi sa inyo, sir, na hindi ba kapag-start ng bahay?
Si Secretary daw tinatawagan pa daw ni CSP. So, hintayin lang po kami. We're ready to work.
Meron kaming dalawang third reading kay Matthew Ramos at si Benny Boatwright for citizenship. It's scheduled today and they're here. We hope we can...
Sir, paano yung procedure ba dapat? Sino yung pwedeng, si SP lang po tsaka si San Loren yung pwede mag-resign?
Pwede
But under our rules, the SP calls the session in order. So without him and without a quorum, we cannot call the session in order.
Pero may violation po ba sa
Wait
rules?
for them.
Wala pa.
Yung hindi pagsipon?
Hintayin natin sila. Let's wait for them.
Nangyayari naman na nahuhuli. So we'll wait for them.
Pero never sure nangyari na nag-cancel bigla.
Wala pa namang cancellation.
Tama. Pero that never happens before, sir.
Meron, basta force majeure.
Bagyo.
May bagyo, baha,
Pandemya.
yun. We'll wait.
Let's wait guys. Maaga pa.
Maaga pa.
Session's supposed to start at 5. Maaga pa. We'll wait.
Hindi naman, sir, sagot ko sa walk out.
Wait. Dali ko sasabihin ko.
Sir, hindi sagot sa walk out, sir.
We'll wait for them. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Thank you guys. Thank you.